Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World. Today I'm making a few wee customer gifts for January. So I wanted something nice and flat again and something nice and quick. But I also want to use some of the lovely new stuff that's available in Celebration. And this wee particular box, I'm sure you've seen loads of them before, the wee slotted sides and whatever. It fits perfectly a nice wee bar of Freddo. That's the measurements I'm going with. And I'll show you what I've used. I'm using the Oso Ombre papers, which are beautiful. They're just one of my favourite things at the minute. I'm using the matching ribbon, the Blackberry Bliss, and it's striped ribbon. And this lovely wee set here, Oval Occasions, which is perfect for me. I just find it very useful. You get the double oval punch, which saves any die cut and whatever. It's really quick and easy to use, and lovely, lovely sentiments. I'll bring you right through to Easter. Thank you cards, wee flowery ones, even St. Patrick's Day, I think you'd get away with it. Lovely wee clover and the hearts. So that's what I'm using. That's what I'm going with today. So to start you off, you're going to need a piece of your chosen paper, whichever you're going to use. Mine is the lovely Granny Apple Green one side and Blackberry Bliss on this side. So I'm going with the Blackberry Bliss. No, I actually think I'm going with the green. No, I'm not sure. No, I'm going with the Blackberry Bliss. And I've got the Blackberry Bliss ribbon, which I hope is going to show up. It'll show up all right, won't it? I'm happy enough with it. It'll do okay. You need a piece of that. So get your 6x6. These are 6x6 papers. Get your piece and cut it down to 5 3/4 by 4 1/4. And that's all you need. You need a scrap of the Granny Apple Green to match the inner side and a piece of basic white card. So we'll start with our wee piece of paper, and we're going to do a bit of score. So I'm going to score on this side. No, I'm going to score on that side. Goodness me, I'm on the wrong tablets today, huh? So the long side first, we're going to score at 1.5 inches. Then we're going to score at 2 1/8, 3 5/8. And 4 1/4. And that's all the scoring you need there. It's really simple. I'm sure you've done these before. So at each side of the short side, we want to score at 5/8. So just score it and spin it round and do the same again. And then we need to do a wee bit of scoring. I'm just going to bring in a big pink mat. I hope that doesn't shine too much on you. But we need to put a wee score. There is 4 wee sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, where you've scored. I'm not sure if you can see them, can you? Maybe you'll see them on the other side better. These wee ones here. Oh, that light is bad, but when you're doing it, you'll see it. We want to bring 2 lines coming in this way and 2 lines coming in this way. So you just simply use your ruler, go point to point, and give it a wee score. Just do the same at this side from there to there. I'm using this a big foam, dense foam mat, which helps me to do this scoring without fiddling about on the scoreboard to get it done. And one more here, point to point. And that's it, we can get started. Oh, just decided to fall. So we're going to do our wee score lines. Just make sure you're happy with the way everything is scoring up. You can see the shape taking form already. It is a simple wee thing, and when you have plenty of these to make, you want something that's quick and easy. It doesn't take up all your time. And you could make, there's a wee bit left over, wee strip left over, which you could make a gorgeous wee matching thank you card, or thank you tag, whatever you're into. So now you want to go to these wee ones here, and you want them to fold You see, I'm going to fold these up and make sure I'm getting these the right way. So if we're going to bring the heaviest colour, I might actually bring the lightest colour to the top. So choose yourself when you're doing this. So that'll come right up to the end here. Everything should be nice and square. And your wee sections in here, you can see you want them to fold in the ways. So it gives you that nice wee neat shape at either side. So just go through them, turn them in before you do, just to give them a nice wee ease into their shape. And just try it up before you go any further. That should be folding in. I'm putting the dark in just simply because I want to see the nice, ribbon coming through. So my ribbon, where are you, ribbon? Will show up that wee bit better rather than trying to show it up against the dark. So we know now that this is going to be our top, so just open it up again, and we're going to, I'm going to bring plastic in again to stop me sticking to my paper, and we're going to put a nice wee piece of double-sided tape. If I can find the start of it. Yep. And you want it to curl right into the other side of your thing, and you also want it to go central enough in that wee section there. So I'm just going to go where I think, not too bad. So just peel off your double-sided tape. And it's good to do that on a wee bit of plastic because it sort of helps hold it for you. Pop that over the top. Press it into the tape. And just chop it off. And just carefully lift that section off the sticky deck. And then we're just going to fold it round inside the packet. And that gives you your lovely wee ribbon top, which is cool. And now we want to fold up our box. We could put our bar of chocolate in here now, or you could slide it in when you get one undone. We want this one on the inside, so we'll slide that in there. Bring this one over the top and make sure your wee pieces are all nicely fitting together. Doesn't want to go down this time. There we go. Now you can turn that on side and give those a wee scraping, just that they're all going in nice. The chocolate's kind of pushing out. I should have stuck my ends down. Just give them a wee fold. And now we just want to decorate the top. So you'll need your punch, your bit of white and your bit of green. So I'm just using a piece of scrap. I'm nearly out of this granny apple green. So you want that for your bit so it's toning in properly. And then you want to use the other one. You could cut this down if you wanted. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm sure I'll use that at some stage. So you want to do your stamping now, and again I'm going with the Blackberry Bliss. And this is called A Little Treat for You. So try and line it up. And then I'm going to go in with the Granny Apple Green. You could at this stage add gems or whatever you fancy. I'm going to try and use this wee stamp here. So I think it's a wee bit cute looking. So I haven't got my stickers put on this yet, so I hope I get this right. Yeah, it's nice. Just put one on either side, and that just keeps it all toning in together. And then we're just going to stick that on. I can find some stickers. Oh, that's what comes from tidying up, huh? I just stick this onto this one. And then we're just going to glue that to the top of that. And I might actually just put another sticker on it. Raise it up. If you want to keep it flat at this stage, just use your wet glue or double-sided tape. And just put that in the center. And there, if that behaves itself, you have two nice boxes ready to go in the post, fairly flat, like I mean only just over ½ an inch thick. So with all this mad postage at the minute, you want to keep things nice and flat so that it'll go through and won't get lost or won't get squashed, or delivery won't be too expensive. So hope you like that and give it a wee go, and I'll catch us all again. I don't like the way you're sitting. Come on, baby. That needs a good score. Give your edges a really good score to hold it, because you're working with paper rather than with card. So I might open that. No, it's sitting now. Thank you. If you're stuck at all, you could actually seal this one down and just leave the opening at the end. There's no reason to have it as a no glue box, which I might do. So catch us all again next week. Bye.